I know that new camera was good. Tamia has the camera too right there.
She does.
Official.
I think we're missing a bell or two.
Bye, bells.
What do you want to play with now?
Official.
Hmm?
Official.
And when we're done, we can watch the Muppet Show.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Do you want to play with your magnets?
No.
You want to play with your gears?
No. Ears.
Gears? Okay. Put the letters away. I have to find a box or something to put the letters in.
Letters.
Bye, letters.
Bye. Bye, new letters.
See you next time, letters. Maybe Christy can work with them with you a little bit too. All right, babe.
All right, babe. All right, babe.
You know how to do it. Here. I'm gonna dump it, okay?
Wow.
There you go. What you don't want, you can drop down here in the box.